Hey. Hi. If you're following me, thank you. If you're not, you should. But I have a question for you. So, I make TikToks every day. And I'm trying to show you how you can make money online by learning high-ticket affiliate marketing skills. Now, the interesting thing is I'm here on TikTok, just like you, scrolling, right? And I come across videos of people taking this mustard, putting it on an egg, and taking a bite like this. And they're eating it with their mouth open. But you will stop and you will like their video. You'll even follow them just to watch them put mustard on this egg and eat it with their mouth open. So I was wondering why you do that. What's the benefit of that? When I'm sitting here showing you how you can earn money online, learn high-ticket affiliate marketing skills, and tell your boss to kiss your tush 6 months, a year from now. So I would love for you to comment below why people who put mustard on their eggs and chew with their mouth open like this and talk to you get more likes than someone like me who's trying to show you how you can change your life and make money and quit your job. I'd love to know. Like, follow, and share this.